Hello friends, I will explain how many products should you order in this video. It is a really important topic actually. Before ordering, it is necessary to search in detail because while you are contacting your manufacturer, you should mention about this issue and take a price. Sometimes they are adding MOQ in their message we show on Alibaba. If you order minimum quantity of product, we can manufacture it, they are saying. This is an important issue too. Therefore, we must decide how many products will we order. So, how can we decide it? Our main aim is not to order too much product. If you order 1,000 to 2,000 units as a trial, they can remain unsold. We attend the category for the first time. We know if we can sell them or not due to some analyses. However, we can't be sure anytime. So, the fewer order, the better for us at the beginning. So we don't prefer to order 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 units no matter how your pocket's strong. It must be a trial part at the beginning. You can order much more than the trial if you get success. So how we will decide them? So, how many product we'll order for the trial? Our main purpose is to be visible on the first page on Amazon. In order to be there, we are determining some words, and on these words, we might have a guess about our selling quantity. And the important one is not to stay out of stock and not to turn back from the first page when we reach there. When ordering the product, our main goal will be not to run out of stock. Why it is important for us not to be out of stock? As I said, we are going to the first page by paying advertising cost like giveaway, PPS. Let's say we are on the first page and we start selling. Then, in order to keep our selling rate, we shouldn't go to the back pages. If we out of stock, we will unable to sell the product for 1 to 2 weeks. It means that we will go to the back pages. Finally, to go back to the first page, we will have to pay the advertising cost again. Thereby, our main goal is staying on the first page, for that we must order the product carefully. In other words, we shouldn't be out of stock. In order not to be out of stock, we have to order enough product. For example, we order 100 units of this product, and we reach the first page by the determined words. Until we come to the first page, we made 25 units of giveaway free and reach to the first page. On the first page, we have 75 units. And on the first page, the product is started to sell 10 units per day. Units per day means that we have stock just for 1 week. Briefly, we made 25 units of a giveaway. Then, 75 products we still have. We start to sell 10 units per day. 1 week of stock we have. 1 week later, we shouldn't are of stock, otherwise, we will have to pay all the advertisement cost again. We ordered 100 units and now we have 75, and we have stock just for 1 week. Does the product reach Amazon storage? If it will come from China, it won't reach. So if you are working with a manufacturer from China, you have to care about the manufacture and shipping days anytime. And you will make a decision depends on the situation. The main goal is not to be out of stock. For that, Chinese is telling us 2 important points. First, in how many the manufacturing takes. Second, how long the shipping process? We already asked them at our message. Let's say that they are manufacturing in 10 days and the shipping process takes 20 days and totally 1 month we have. This information is really important for us, so we have to order the quantity of the product that suffice to us. We have to learn the manufacturing and shipping days from our manufacturer, and according to the answer, we are giving a new order. The shipping is 20 days and manufacturing is 10 days, totally 30 days to take the product to Amazon storage. We will make a decision according to this information. Let's define the purpose. It has become prominent on the page by finding a word that provides a 10 units per day selling rate. I already explained how to find these words. We are finding the words by using the word analysis program, especially Helium. We are finding the words by Helium, and we define some words that provide a good rate of selling on the first page. We are trying to be visible on the first page by using these focused words with a giveaway, PPS, and another advertisement. Let's say that our mission is selling 10 units per day in the beginning. We could to the front by a word that provides 10 units selling rage. And it is started to sell 10 units. For 30 days, it will have sold 300 units. In the beginning, thereby, we should order 300 units or products, to not to be out of stock, if the shipping takes 30 days. According to these information, we are making a calculation. With which word, we will be visible on the first page, we are defined this. Let's say that we will be on the first page with inflatable travel food rest pillow. When we reach the first page, I suppose that we are selling 10 units per day. I already explained that how many of that you will sell. Let's try together with this product by Cerebro. Let's start the Cerebro for this product. You already know how we are working on Cerebro. I am opening Helium 10 on the new page. Clicking the Cerebro section on the page, I am copy-paste are the most selling one in the search box. Normally we are copy-paste 5 to 6 opponents, however I will do just one to make it quickly. We are trying to determine at which words this opponent indexed and used most. After this process, we will determine our words. The result is 6,300 words. Let's find at which words this opponent on top 50 by the filter. Because you know that, if the product is not on the first page, it isn't sold. I am searching according to the searching volume. We can see the most sold words for our product on the screen now. Helium is offering you how many giveaways you should make for being visible on the first page. I will explain it in detail in selling section. Let's find a beautiful words related to our product from the list. For example, travel food rest this words is a words that have been searched 3,600. In order to come to the first page with this word, you should make 30 giveaways. You can sell 4 to 5 units per day when you come to on the first page after 30 giveaways. This is our first word, and another one is inflatable footrest for air travel with a 2645 searching rate. Let's choose this word too. When you give away 25 units of product, you can come to the first page. We define 2 words. I will explain in the selling section how we define the word. We define these words as fewer rivalry and can stand on the first page. And now, we should define how many giveaways should we make for these word, for first 130 and for second 125 units. Totally 50 units of the product will be the giveaway. When we go to the first page with these 2 words, our product will be selling 8 to 10 per day. And after calculating these 8 to 10 units per day and 50 unit giveaway, we'll define how many product will we order. Let's calculate 50 units giveaway, 8 units per days. It is 30 multiply 8 equals 240 units per month. 240 plus 50 equal 290. It is almost 300 units of the product must be ordered, we determined. Because our manufacturer said, the manufacturing takes 10 days and shipping takes 20 days. Thereby, we should order for 30 days product. After ordering for 30 days of product, our new product will be reached without being out of stock, and we aren't lose our place on the first page. You can determine your first stock by this way. However, if you send from any country, you can take fewer trial product because the product will be at the Amazon storage within 5 to 7 days. For example, it might be 100 units. Let's say 25 units of them for giveaway, and other 75 units you still have. You are selling 7 to 8 units per day. It means you have 10 to 11 days of stock. So you can send your product to Amazon storage in 10 days. In a word, when you find a manufacturer from any country, you can start with 100 units of product. It will be a fewer cost already. If you sell 7 to 8 units per day, you can order 200 to 300 more units. However, for China, the shipping takes longer, and if you choose the air shipment, the price is going higher. Thereby, you should order your trial product by considering these days. In this video, we have talked how many product you should order for your first order. Calculating the shipping and manufacturing, and knowing to stay on the first page, and without being out of stock you should order your first product. According to all of these, you will adjust your orders. We have already talked about the order quantity. See you in the next episode.